Today's fun will be rebuilding this sash. One side of this sash, which is the lower one, has taken all the abuse over the last 90 years. So we will rebuild that bottom, attach it to the top 3 pieces of sash that are in really good shape, take out all of that glaze, and re-put the sweet wavy glass back in. And then I will take the rest of the week off. Honestly, I really like how this is coming out, as we're gonna be able to replicate it pretty easily. It's been caulked in over the last probably 40 years. We have a close to reproduction piece. It's a lot better shape than the old one, as you can see. So let's get to putting it in to our bottom piece of our sash. You'll see it's been mortised. And we'll push it into the other side here. There we go. It'll be ready for glass install. And as soon as we square it up in the window, when you do this, remember to bevel that other edge, because that's how the windows fit together. One side has a bevel, the other side has a bevel, they meet in the middle, and it's what some would have called in 80 years ago weatherproof. Leaves a little to be desired nowadays, but nonetheless, finito, except for our glass. And that'll be right on tap. Wow. What can I say? I was so happy we took this wavy glass out and it was all in one piece until all I did was breathe on it, folks. Yes. It's not a Monday, but at least you can get more glass. We'll show it with new glass in, albeit it won't be wavy. After my fumble fingers broke glass, I have got new glass, put it in here, and we are ready to go. These little ditties are called glazing points. I'm sure some of you know what those are. Some of you don't. Those things hold the glass in. This is going to be held in. We'll glaze on the inside and the outside. And by inside, I mean underneath this glass. This is just a dry fit to make sure it fits right. Finished, except for caulk and glaze. Now remember, there's always 1,000 ways to repair something. So everybody that's watching my video will probably say, Jeff, why didn't you do it that way? Why didn't you do it this way? I agree. There's always 10 or 12 different ways to do it. But right there, looks finished, is finished, it's functional, and it's not rotten anymore. Personally, I think that's a big step from where it was, right? All right.